Hey everyone, welcome back to another part of this website development series using ReactJS. Now, in today's video, we'll see how we can handle API exceptions, API errors in our ReactJS code. And in the previous video, I have shown you that how you can fetch some data through API using fetch function. Okay, so in some cases, you will get some error also from the API. It is not 100% sure that every time when you hit the API you will get a success response. So let's see how handling works and how a error looks like. So first we'll start our server, that is npm run dev. It is run npm run dev, and we'll see how we can handle this. So let it be started and let's go to server, and as I hope it should work, but you can see it is crashing. Our page is crashing. As I have shown in previous video, it was showing the list of the news, but today it is not showing. I think there is some error from the API side, from the server side. You can see here, when you refresh you will get here, and you can see status is error and code is parameter invalid. You can see here the data is too much old. The date is too much old. Okay, and you can see the description of the error. So actually it is an error, and this error causing our website is crashing. Okay, so this should not happen 0%. This should not happen any of the cases that our website will be crashing. It should never happen, whatever the situation is. Okay, so we have to handle this. So before handling, we should know that what actual error is and where it is causing the crashing. Okay, so we have got the error. You can see here we have got the error. Now we'll see in console that where is the actual error, that why page is crashing. So here you can see type error, cannot read properties of undefined reading map, and the problem persists in this 23rd line. So let's click and see here the problem is, and let's go down. Here the problem is if you see, there is no any data coming from the server. Okay, but forcefully what we are doing, we are fetching articles, we are getting articles from the response, but there is no article inside the response. So what it is undefined, and our news become undefined. So that's why it is crashing, because undefined and map. So if the data type is undefined and if you're trying to use the map function, obviously you will get an error. Map function can only be applied on this array data type. So that's why we are getting the website crashed. So let's handle this, and let's see how we can handle. So first we need to check that response is success or not. Okay, so there is a simple method that is okay. So we'll see if response dot okay. If response is okay, then only what you have to do is get the data and get the articles from the data. Okay, here you can see we are not getting the list of news, but website is not crashing this time. Okay, so we have handled one error. Okay, now how user can see that there is an error, please refresh, or please do something else, please clear or cache, or do something else. So we have to also make a a variable. But before making a variable, let's see a temporary solution. If response is not okay, then what we have to do is else alert, then alert, that is error, and here you can see we'll get an error. Now we are only seeing that there is an only error, but if I want to show user the actual error, the actual message, here you can see the message now, right? Here is the message you are trying to resolve. Okay, so first we'll see if response dot but before I have checked already, so I need to convert this data. Okay, I need to convert this into JSON, and after converting it to the JSON, we need to extract the data dot message. Okay, so data dot message. Now refresh this. You can see here you have made too many requests recently, developer accounts limited, and you can see the error here. Successfully we are getting the error, but this error can change also. If I disconnect my Wi-Fi, okay, if I have disconnected my Wi-Fi, it will not get connected to the server and the error will get changed. The error will be internet error. So if you see, we are not getting any type of alert. Why? Because this is still pending. This is still fetching the data. Let's see. Okay, this is failed, and another will also get failed. Let's wait. Or fail to fetch, and fetch news. Okay, fail to fetch, but we are not getting any kind of alert here. We are not getting any kind of alert here. So in that case, we'll use try and catch method to extract the error from a line. Okay, so this error is causing from the fetch line. Okay, because there is no internet, but still we are trying to fetch, so this line will throw an error. To catch errors in any line, we'll use the try and catch method. So we'll use simple try and catch. So cut all this code and put it inside the try block. What it will do, it will execute every line, and in any line, if it will be getting the error, it will be closing the execution of all the next line inside its body, and it will be moved to the catch block. Suppose there is an error inside this line, so after this line there are 3 or 4 more lines, so this all will not get executed. As you can see, if I show you that log error, okay, now you can see clearly. If I log here, okay, log I will write hello. Okay, I will write refresh. You can see hello I am fetching, and you have got the error that error name is not resolved, and you have not got the log that is hello, because this line has error. Okay, so the execution of these all lines are interrupted, and this line is executed, which is logging the actual error, which is 23rd line, and you can see 23rd line is showing me the error that is failed to fetch. So it is also an kind of error, but user can't see any kind of alert. Okay, so we have to alert the user now. So write alert and see internet error or something like this. Okay, now reload this and you will see the internet error, and internet error, whatever it is, you can see the internet error. Okay, now let me connect to the Wi-Fi. If it will be connected, if it is getting some error response, then it will be showing this alert. So how we can show this message inside our J6? Like we were showing the news if the response was success. Now we have to show the error if response is not success. So simply make a variable that is const error comma set error is equals to use state, and this will be undefined for now, because initially there will be no error in the code, and if response is okay, then there will be no error, means error will be undefined, and if there will be response not okay, then set error, and error will be data dot message. Okay, and if there is internal error or internet error, we'll be setting internet error. Okay, and inside the JSX we'll be writing if message and error. If there will be error, then show the error. Alright, if I refresh the page, I am getting an error. So you can see here you have made too many requests and we are getting the message here. But suppose I have written here internet error, but all the time it will not be internet error, because it can also be occurred due to some code mistake. Like I am writing console.lg, but there is no kind of function like lg, so it will also cause an error and all this line will not be executed even we are getting the response. So if I refresh this, see, I am getting internet error, but I am connected to internet and I am getting a response here. You can see I am getting a response. Either that response is successful or unsuccessful. Okay, but what we are seeing, that is an internet error. Okay, so we have to get the actual error here, right? So simply if I write error, then let's see what we will be getting. And control R. As you can see, this is the alert internet error. So simply remove this and error and remove. Okay, you can see the actual error that console.lg is not a function. So simply change this console.log and this error will get removed and you will get the actual message here. Okay guys, thank you, and that's all for this video. I hope I made clear the API exception, how you can handle API exceptions and some code mistakes with the try and catch block. Actually, this video has two parts. One is exception handling and another is API exception handling. Okay, so thank you so much. Meet you in the next video, or you can say the next part of this website development series. Thank you so much.